The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for Brooks County in south central Georgia and South Cook County in south central Georgia until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely violent tornado located near Dixie moving north at 20 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Brooks County and South Cook County. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Get underground now. Hundreds of citizens have already been reported dead due to the situation. All doors must be locked, and stay in your shelter at all costs. Your shelter must be highly secured from the inside and out. Wait until the tornado passes. You only have a couple of minutes left. Seek shelter now. Lay on the ground and cover your body with blankets and pillows, to protect yourself from flying debris, and so that they don't see you. If they do see you then. To repeat, the National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning.
This message has been broadcasted at the request of the United States government. Regular programming has been suspended. All cable systems and broadcast channels shall transmit this message. This is not a test. This is not a test. This message has been broadcasted at the request of the United States government. Regular programming has been suspended. All cable systems and broadcast channels shall transmit this message. This is not a test. This is not a test. Our president will be on the air soon. The president will deliver highly important information. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The United States government has initiated uplifting procedure code number 48670 in your area starting at 8:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Spherical devices will be deployed from an aircraft overhead within the next 30 minutes. Stay calm and remain vigilant. Do not look directly at the spherical devices under any circumstances. In case of technological failure or disruption, please remain indoors. Shelter in place until the procedure concludes. Further instructions will follow if necessary. Any attempt to interfere or flee the area will be met with immediate consequences. This concludes our emergency alert system transmission. Thank you for your cooperation.